Very good morning. Uh, my name is Haribabu, belongs to SNS College of Engineering, and my department is Computer and Design. Now, the subject is about basics of electrical and electronics engineering. In the first year, second sem, we are going to see about the Unit 5 linear digital electronics, and then the topic is logic gates. Let me see. Okay. The basics of digital electronic circuit as one or more input and single output is known as logic gates. So one or more input and single output is a logic gate. When we have multiple inputs and only one output is the thing is about the logic gate. Hence logic gate are building block of any digital system. Okay. We can classify these logic gates into the following three categories: basic gate, universal gate, and special gates. Okay. Basic gates, it's just an basic gates. Okay. Universal gates, it's an what is a universal gate mean? Just it will be used for all purposes. Special gates, it's just an special where it is not been discussed in basic and universal gates. Okay, let me see what is basic gate. In an earlier chapter we learned that Boolean function can be represented either in sum of product form or product of sum form based on the requirement. So we can implement these Boolean function by using basic gates. The basic gates are and, or, not gates. So think about how the gates are utilized. So now AND gate. An AND gate is a digital circuit that has two or more inputs produce an output which is logical and of all those inputs it is optional to represent logic and with the symbol. Just we see. Now following table is the total of two input AND gates, where AND is nothing about, it's just a multiplication operation. Okay, just think about it is a multiplication operation. Okay, 0 0 0 and 0 will be 0, 1 0 will be 0 and 1 will be 1. So both the 1 will be, the output is 1, other than it will be 0. Here A and B are the input, Y is the output of two input AND gate. If both inputs are 1, then the output is 1. For remaining combination, the input output will be 0. So simple representation has been given here. It is an AND gate representation and IC pin number will be 7408 for AND gate. Please note down 7408. Okay. Next is about OR gate. An OR gate is a digital circuit that has two or more inputs and produce an output which is logical or of those inputs. Let me see the truth table. AND gate is multiplication, whereas OR gate is a addition operation. Where 0 0 will be 0 and 0 will be 1, 1 0 will be 1 and 1 will be, please note down, it is like an addition operation, but it is not exact addition operation. So 1 1 will be 1. Okay, please note down this one, very important, because we always think about 1 will be answer will be the addition operation, but here the addition operation is not concluding. So we just think about it is just an addition operation but not exact addition. Okay, so here AB are input and UI is output. If both inputs are 0, then only the output is 0. For remaining combination, the output is 1. So that also we can note down. Okay, here is a simple representation for OR gate. IC pin number is 7432. Next is about NOT gate. NOT gate is a digital circuit that has single input and single output. The output of NOT gate is logical inversion of input. Hence NOT gate is also called as inverter. In the truth table of NOT gate, when it is an input is 0, the output will be 1. When it is input is 1, the output will be 0. And the symbolic representation we mentioned here. Its number is 74 08 example 7408 is AND gate, 7432 is OR gate, 7404 is NOT gate. Okay. Later we will discuss about universal gate and other gates. Now we conclude the session. Any queries? Any queries? Thank you.